CAT Center and TUV-SUD partnership sets the stage for global skill development standards. Bangalore 24th January 2025. CAT Center's exclusive event at the Hyatt Centric, AMG Road, Bangalore, concluded on an inspiring note, marking a transformative milestone in skill development with the announcement of its strategic partnership with TUV-SUD. This landmark collaboration promises to redefine training standards and elevate the professional capabilities of engineers and professionals globally. The event began with an MOU exchange ceremony, symbolizing the partnership's commitment to advancing world-class training and certification programs. The chief guest Heinemann Brigade, International Business Development Manager, TUV-SUD South Asia, delivered the keynote address. The launch of the master certification programs in BIM and product design with AR/VR technology application was another major highlight of the event.
Good afternoon. So today is a momentous day in the history of our company. Today we have announced the launch of our association with TÜV one of the leading certification companies in the world. TÜV is now going to certify some of our chosen programs, and those certifications will be made available to our students who can participate in the testing, and if they are successful, they will get a world-class certificate which will be widely recognized by multinational companies the world over. I think it's a great opportunity for our working professionals and students in India, no matter where they are in India. At CAT Center, we truly believe that Indian engineers are one of the best in the world, but we simply do not have the right environment to show our talent and skills. With this certification, we are hoping that we will be able to launch our engineers to a much higher level so that they can all become world class. Our future plan is to expand our business not only within India but also outside India to many countries. We are already present in 15 countries, but we want to go to other countries. But more importantly, we want to work with large multinational companies to serve their needs with respect to special talent.